Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's here.
What?
It's here.
What? Put your helmet on, boy.
It's here.
Okay. All right. It's here. What's here? What's up? What's about to get here?
GT, baby. Look at that GT.
That's it.
It's here. It's here. We've been waiting for this a couple months now. I think we're about ready for it.
Here we go. It's here. It's here.
Open up the bag. Open up the bag.
Here we go. Y'all excited?
Oh. Gotta go hardcore.
What's up? What's up?
What's up, big guy?
Is that it?
That's it? Wow.
Man, look like y'all got the best relationship, man. Every time y'all be skating off,
Let's go.
what you call it?
Oh, it's
One wheel.
Onewheel,
Yeah.
Wait, all over
This one's the big boy.
Okay.
We got another one coming, so this one will be able to pull me around.
I hear
Hey,
you.
thanks a lot, buddy. Appreciate you, bro.
My hands up.
All right, man.
All right, man.
Hey, you have an awesome day.
All right, you too.
Go ahead. First time on the Onewheel GT.
Turning is like, it feels so different. I don't know, like, I can't really explain what's different about it. It feels more snappy.
Yeah, it's good, huh?
Yeah.
So like more responsive,
Yeah.
basically, is what you're saying?
Yeah, it feels like way quicker in turning. Like, I can like turn like this. Like, I don't know. I think it's just the wider tire. But I have no clue. Alright. Luke, come give it a try. Wait,